Physically, the MA151 smoke detector is impressively slim at only 3.3 centimeters thick, giving it a modern, low-profile look on the ceiling. The housing is made from fire-retardant, UV-resistant, and anti-yellowing materials, ensuring it will remain durable and visually clean over years of operation. Meross also includes practical engineering details that directly improve reliability. A fine insect-proof mesh prevents contamination, while the dual optical sensor design allows the detector to distinguish real smoke patterns more accurately, reducing false alarms caused by steam or everyday household humidity. With certifications including SGS, DBI, and EN 14604 compliance, the MA151H positions itself as a serious safety device rather than just another smart gadget.